Hey guys, this is how I went from this skinny motherfucker to this cock diesel motherfucker. And we're back with another. Yes. Alright guys. So this is how to do a lat pull down, guys. Make sure you place your hands on the bar evenly. Keep your chest up, right? Retract that scapula. Drive your elbows down and squeeze the muscle. Once you feel that contraction, that's it. You come right back up and squeeze down again. Make sure you squeeze and squeeze and squeeze, guys. That's all it is. It's just squeezing a muscle. It's very simple. Squeezing a muscle. Pull down and squeeze. Keep that same form. Try not to cheat. And you're good to go, guys. This is a different angle with no shirt on, and I'm gonna show you guys what muscles are being worked. As you can see there, boom. This is perfect, guys. Scapula is retracted, well contracted, and I'm just squeezing that muscle, squeezing the lats as hard as I can. Squeeze, right? You don't really gotta go too heavy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with more